Oh baby, we got some fresh meat for the BRZ. I'm finally gonna throw these guys on. Hopefully the next couple days. You guys have been waiting for these forever. They finally showed up. I want to start working on the BRZ again. I've been in like this phase where I don't really know what I want to do with it, and I don't want to take it too far one direction or the other direction and have regrets. But we got some fresh meat showed up. We have the wheels now, so I'll hopefully get those installed the next couple days. And I also have to fix the crack on the windshield. When I went to pick up the cluster for the Civic, remember like huge boulder hit my windshield and like shattered it like the size of my hand. And then I've just needed to get it fixed. I haven't done it yet. And it's just kind of been my like unmotivational thing to get it fixed. I don't know why, it's stupid, but whatever. We're gonna start working on that soon. So today the video went out where I said our motor died, and a lot of you guys are commenting, and we never claim to know what we're doing. We always tell you like we don't really know what we're doing. We always have an idea, but we don't know everything. No one knows everything. And you guys are commenting saying, hey, maybe your timing's off. Like, we took the timing belt off and put it back on, and we thought we did a good job, but apparently we weren't paying good enough attention, or I don't know. But we were just out here right now messing around trying to decide what was going to go on before we bought a new motor, and this is what we found.
From Committed Industries, and show you about the timing gallery.
That didn't, what was that? That
didn't work out.
That didn't make sense. Anyways, so we're out here right now trying to like decide what's going on, and this is what we found, and we came out here right now to check this before we went and spent money on a new motor.
So we put cylinder 1 at TDC.
That's what this is. So cylinder 1 is at top dead center, so we went up and down until this was at the very top. So we know that it's top dead center.
Then I looked at the sprockets, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Just by looking for now, you can see that it says up on there.
Yeah.
It's slightly that way.
Oh yeah, so you can see that they're not perfectly straight up and down.
But you have to be leveled with the motor, not the sprocket.
Okay.
So when you level, because the motor's tilted forward, you can see. And then on the timing belt, the cover here, there's a line. And this indentation right there, and this indentation there, should be lined up with this line. Which is not.
This is one tooth too far clockwise, so we just need to back it up one tooth this way. And this one looks like it's about one tooth too far clockwise as well, so we need to spin this one counterclockwise as well so that they both line up properly. So literally just that could be causing all the issues.
Because these also, say these were pins, they were supposed to go into the other hole. There's a hole on each camshaft, and it's supposed to drop right in.
And they don't line up.
No, because it's
cams are too far advanced. And that's also why our timing is all the way retarded and it's barely running. Because it's trying to compensate.
Yes.
So you guys bought all the hats. Thank you to everybody that bought all the hats when they went live yesterday. You guys make a bigger difference than you actually realize. But right now I'm gonna go inside and package all of those. We have a couple people over that are helping, so I'm gonna go package all those orders so I can get them out to you. And Emerson is just gonna try and fix this and see if it does anything. And if it does, then we don't need a new motor. Then we can just keep going. Hopefully he can fix it. Okay, here's camera.
Holy, we got motors everywhere, tires everywhere.
We got shit everywhere.
I got about 8 jack stands underneath my car right now.
We have so much to do.
Oh, where are you? Oh my god. Of course you don't fit. God damn it, Robbie, I thought you took this belt off. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Definitely not. It's so freaking black in there. Anyways, down there is the tensioner right there. We're gonna loosen the tensioner and then remove the belt and then I'll line up the crankshaft to top dead center, and then align the cams too, and then reinstall it. There should be a mark. Oh, there goes my ratchet. Just right there. Right on the oil pump, and there's a marking on the sprocket down there, and it should be exactly aligned with that. And then the sprocket's right there, and I'll align it with that, and then make sure that our so-called pins, really just freaking drill bits here, are in the cams, and then put the belt back on, and then hopefully that should do it.
Did you line up the cams better?
We'll find out.
We'll find out. We're like 100 something orders in and we ran out of ink, so I made it just in time. Yeah, splitting jobs was smart because we just banged out a bunch of orders, and hopefully you fix this, and then I can tell that guy, hey man, I don't have to buy your motor anymore. That will be a good pocket saver. Look at this kid, thinks he's straight out of Fast and Furious.
I was making sure you didn't disable anything.
That sounds better. That sounds way better. Oh, buddy! Haha! Welcome! Thanks, bro, you're the best. That sounds way better, dude. And you have throttle response?
Wanna try it?
Fuck yeah, I wanna try it. Oh yeah! Stupidest little thing. thing, dude. When we put the timing belt back on, we just fucked up. Thank God it was just that. It still might overheat. I think we need a thermostat. Oh, dude. The computer's plugged in. I'm so stoked. I hope this works.
I'm a happy camper.
Dude, thank God that worked.
We can actually get the downpipe welder.
Yeah, we can go get the downpipe welder tomorrow now. We can get this thing back on schedule. Oh, I love you, man. Thank you. Ink just arrived, baby. Let's take AA batteries. This is bright. It's really hit or miss whether doing... Bruh. I'm gonna kill you. He's just wheeling it back and forth. It's really hit or miss whether that affected the compression. It should make it a bit better, but if it's still low compression...
If it's within the zone, just dyno it, boost it.
If we check it and like it's still at like 103, then like it's gonna need rings and we need to do more work. So we want to find out where it's at. Emerson and Brad are gonna keep filming. I think it's kind of cool perspective from them probably, and then we're just inside finishing up the rest of everybody's orders for everybody that bought hats.
See, that one's probably close to 180-ish. Okay, number 2, go. So that one's 170. So that's good. 175. Last one, let's get it. 170.
Dude, look at these compression numbers. Look, from a broken heart. Oh, we gotta mend this heart, dude. Where's the marker? We are definitely gonna have to mend this heart. I feel much better now. That's sick. Those are actually so much better. That's like almost like, that's better than the D15 was, because that's low. So I just now got fully caught up. Thank you to everybody that came over and helped with the orders. We actually got like all the orders done in like 4.5 or 5 hours, which is unreal. Like we filled all your orders. I'm so stoked. But aside from that, looks like the compression is good. Thanks to you guys for saying that. People thought it was everything. You guys thought it was ignition timing, whatever. Thankfully we figured it out and this motor has compression, so I now no longer need to fork out money for a new motor. I don't even need to buy rings because this thing has mint compression. Emerson and Brad just went out and picked up a thermostat, so I'm gonna have to rip this open and put a new thermostat in there. Should fix the overheating, because if you guys watched the video where we first fired this thing up, this was exploding and the coolant reservoir was boiling. If there's nothing in there?
In the reservoir, no.
It just burned away? That's brutal. What does this little guy look like? That's it, huh? And how much was this thing?
This thing was like $10.
Yeah, we'll just swap it. It's not even worth opening the other one and testing it.
You have no headlights. Like there's no connection, no nothing.
Well, I put on the
Because when you
today.
pulled it, the switch was all the way on. I'm like, huh?
Yeah, I didn't plug anything in yet. I didn't even think of that. I was just like prioritize, make sure the motor runs, and then we can get headlights going. It just turns into a straight river. As soon as you pull this, there's just Niagara Falls. The whole block is draining in there. What is going on? Did you hear my voice crack? Is it like super easy? Do you just pop that one off and pop the new one on?
Pretty much.
You can hear it just sucking in air. It's gonna gurp so hard when we bleed it. We're gonna bleed it, it's just gonna go.
Just look at the seal on that bad boy.
Mm-hmm. That's some custy lunch money right there. I just want to stay in there, dude. Oh, there she is. Oh, we're just fountaining everywhere.
Hurry up!
I'm trying my best. 1 sec.
What doing?
It's stuck on something.
Thought you do something wrong.
Okay, we replenished the Niagara Falls of water that came out of there. So we topped up some coolant. We had another half of like 50-50 or whatever. What do you call this shit? We had another non-mixed. I can't find words. Concentrate. So we're gonna fire it up, back it outside. It's kind of getting late, but like it's to the point now where we're on such a crunch time with this car that like I need to know right now if I can do stuff with it tomorrow. So I'm usually pretty respectful of the neighbors, which I recommend everybody do, but like we gotta get some stuff done tonight, so it's not even that late. It's only like 9. This is how hot the coolant got last time we did this. Look how warped this thing is, dude. This thing has a actual like melt bend on it. That's how bad this thing was overheating last time. This thing is disrespectfully loud. Literally the turbo just straight open. Emerson's got the Honda hooked up so we can see when it gets too hot. Apparently this thermostat's supposed to open at a colder temperature. It's supposed to open earlier than the old one. So the fan should kick on, everything should work a little bit better, but we're gonna find out. The exhaust is in my eyes. We need to get this fixed. So we're doing good, we're not overheating. The fan was just on and then the fan turned back off, which is sick because last time it came on, then it overheated and everything went to shit. So the fan came on, the fan turned back off, we bled everything. It seems to be doing well. I just put the coolant cap on and pushed it all into the reservoir, like all the extras into the reservoir. So I think we got everything fixed. All the issues we were having the other day were fixed. I just want to take 2 seconds and say, like, I always don't think about how much you guys know. And a lot of times in a video, I may sound stupid or I may like say the dumber version, but that's because there's people who don't know stuff. But a lot of my audience, a lot of you guys are very smart, very knowledgeable, probably know more than me. But sometimes if I'm trying to sound stupid, I'm not always like being an idiot. Because I know in the last video, a couple people were like, yo, you're an idiot. Like, you shouldn't have said it this way, you should have said it this way. I'm just trying to help other people that don't understand. Yes, dude. So now, tomorrow, we can make our day, like if you guys remember, exactly a week ago, we were supposed to get this all finished up and then try and get the downpipe welded the next day. We didn't make that cut. Thankfully, we were given a second chance. We could do it tomorrow. So tomorrow, we're gonna go get this downpipe welded, throw in a new exhaust, which should be tight. We're looking good. We're getting everything fixed out. Thanks to you guys for a lot of your comments and everything helping out. And huge thanks to Emerson and Brad for putting in work today while I was packaging all you guys' orders with the girls. I'm sorry for all the cursing the other day. You're not as bad as I thought you were.
Oh, she's ready for 30 pounds of boost.
Oh, buddy.
If you push more than my motor, I don't know. I have to fix it anyways if it blows.
Well, I'm gonna win, you know that. I'm gonna be faster than you. It's just a fact.
Yeah, but there's like fast, and then there's safe.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on the cusp of safe. And the cusp of fast. It's called dangerous.
Let's go.
You guys witnessed a live panic yesterday when I was sending a new motor and stuff. I wasn't thinking it through. We fixed it. Thank you guys for your help. Peace out. The humming noise is this light right here. You guys always complain about it, and I know you probably just heard it when I did this. It's gonna be gone in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay, bye. Stay committed.